Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the wind speed unit on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the Settings button in the Tools section. At the left side on the screen, tap to the Units and Time section, and here in the wind speed section you can select different units and just select one, for example the kilometer per hour, and just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.